Thanks for watching this Mapbox how-to video. In this video, I will show you how to style areas by land use type. Like in this case, I've styled all areas that are considered parking. Let's go. Okay, I'm in my Mapbox Studio account. I'm at mapbox.com/studio, and I'm in the Styles section. And I'm going to click on Pick a Template or Upload a Style. And scroll down and click on Create under Satellite. And I want to style areas by land use type, but I don't have the land use layer. So click on Add Layer. And under Mapbox Streets V7, you'll see the land use. Click on that and click on Style. And we're under the Color section and click on Style with Data Conditions. We want to choose the data field class. And whenever the data field class is parking, I want the color to be pink. And click Done. So now you'll see that we have pink areas that are parking, and we also have these black areas, and that's because once you start styling across data conditions, Mapbox will automatically add a fallback value of black. And if you don't want that, you can change the color, or you can change the opacity to 0. And so there you go. Now you know how to style areas by land use type. Thanks for using Mapbox, and keep building.